Hi there, it's Ben here from Lloyd Select in Blackpool, just doing a video on the BMW M2 that we've currently got in stock. Coming around, key feature this, rear reversing camera and sensors, as well as rear privacy glass, shark fin antenna and quad exhaust system on the back. Going into the boot, load of space in the boot, as well as your battery and all your breakdown kit is included in the car as well. So the next side of the car, electrically adjusted seat with 2-seat memory position. Coming in then, you got these easy access seats. So I press this, goes forward, I press that, goes back. 4-seat configuration in the car, you've got 2 ice sticks in the back. So there's 12-volt adapter and dual climate control in there as well. Harman Kardon upgraded sound system. Automatic, put it in reverse, put it in drive, happy days. Manual tailgate, everything's there. Let me start the car up. No engine warning lights or anything, that's just because the door is open, so I'll shut the door and now that goes off. 75,203 miles on clock. Navigation inbuilt as well with Bluetooth music, DAB, FM radio, everything like that. You've got heated front seats, AC, cruise control with speed limiter, Bluetooth music, paddle flaps, and everything like that.